what will be a suitable type of fertilizer for most plants, and is there any one type fits all kind of fertilizer?
Okay, if you're a level 1 gardener, compost and kelp seaweed fertilizer is probably the two kinds of fertilizers that you can use, okay, for a general kind of fertilization process. If you're a more advanced kind of like gardener and you're starting to look at more advanced kind of plants, then you need to start learning about plant deficiencies. Okay, look at the plants and how they look and how their leaf color is changing. Then you can find what kind of nutrient deficiency is happening. Then you can start to go into the more, what we call like advanced level of fertilization. So you start buying things like lime powder, which is for calcium. You start putting things in like liquid phosphorus and potassium, okay, for fruiting trees and stuff like that. So, but if you're in the general kind of like a gardening scene, and you don't want to get too scientific, then it's probably kelp fertilizer and compost.
Okay. Can I just have a question? Like, what is the proportion of fertilizer, and do we have to dilute it when we put it inside, or?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought.
Okay. So this one is a good question. This how much do you put and all that kind of stuff is really written usually on the packaging of the fertilizer. Okay, so every brand has its own concentration. So you need to look at the packaging and follow the thing quite closely. I have had many experiences where I just chin-chai lah, and then after that my plants actually got affected. Okay, my clients' plants got affected. So please, for your own sake, like try to follow the recommended quantities.
Okay.
Dilution rate.
Okay, thank you.